Hello everyone. In this class we will see all the remaining string functions. String dot is title of. This will check whether the given string is in the title case. That means every first letter of a word supposed to be in capital in title case. It is going to check that. If it is correct, and then it will be returning true. For example, James Bond. You can notice that J and B both are in capital letters, so it will be giving true as the result. We can also check whether the string given is ending with a particular substring or character. For that, we are having ends with function. For example, James Bond dot ends with ND. See, you can notice that BOND, that is ND is the last letter there. So it is ending with ND. It will be giving true as the result. Similar way, we can also check whether the string is starting with some substring or a character. For example, James Bond dot starts with and then SA. So here it is starting with JA, not SA. So it is going to be false. We can also replace any character or a substring in the string with the new string or character. For that we are having replace of function. Here we will have two arguments. One is the old string which you want to replace, and the second one is the substring or a character which you need to put it for that old. For example, James replace, see I am giving here MES to replace with KIE. So JAKIE will be the result. Sometimes we may need to remove the character or a substring from the beginning of a string or in the end of the string. For that we are having strip of function that we have in three different ways. One of that is L strip, and then the characters as the argument. It will be removing the given character or substring from the left side of a string. When I don't give the character, it will be removing the white space. Character is optional. When I demonstrate, I will be showing that with the character. Now I have given here space for example. So the white space before James is being removed, being it is L strip. L indicates left. Similar way, we can also have R strip, that means right strip. The character given can be removed, or else it will remove the white space. You can notice that bond and then some white spaces are there. Dot R strip, it removes all the white space right side. Only bond is given as output. If we want to remove from both the sides, instead of giving L or R, without indicating that, we will give strip. So string dot strip off will remove the white space when there is no argument. When there is a character or substring argument, it will remove that. You can see here both the side white spaces are there with James. I have given strip off. It gives James without any white spaces. Split is a function which will be returning the list, putting all the words as its elements. For example, James Bond 007 dot split off. Each word, that is James as an element, Bond as an element, 007 as an element in a list. String dot partition of a substring. This returns a list but only with 3 elements. That means whatever the substring given to partition will be an element. Before and after, whatever is left over will be other elements. For example, James Bond 007 partition Here the partition is ON. So ON is the middle element. Previous element will be whatever is before on. So James space B. And then the last element will be ON. After that, whatever is available, that will be there. String dot join of. Then argument is string iterable. This will be joining each member of a string iterator after the string. So it will be repeating until string iterator gets sent. For example, serial number is the string join 123. So here 1 serial number, then 2 serial number, then 3. Each character of a string will be appearing before the string until all the elements of string iterable get over. Let us understand all these string functions more clearly on Python window. I will demonstrate with different way of inputs. So keep watching. st1 is equal to we are learning computer programming. Now I give st1 dot is title of. See, title case means every first letter of the word is supposed to be in capital letter. Here it is not there, so it will be showing false. st2 is equal to W in capital E, A in capital RE, and then learning. Okay, see, L is not a capital. st2 dot is title of. This is false. Now let us check for the right one. st3 is equal to we are watching YouTube to learn. Now it is going to be true. st3 dot is title of. Now let us check for ends with. st1 dot ends with. I give the argument here. It ends with ing, right? I will give ing here. True. In case if I give st1 dot ends with n, even I can give a single letter, it is going to be false. Now st1 dot ends with I give learning. So this is also not true. Let me give programming fully. st1 dot ends with programming. See, actually there is a spelling mistake here. I have written programming. So let me have the same spelling here. So it is true. Let me check for starts with. st2 dot starts with, that is we are learning, right? So let me give here are, which will be false. Now let me give the right one. st2 dot starts with v is true. We can also check whether the given string is available in the substring of the original string. For example, I have here we are learning Python programming dot starts with I wanted to check whether it is starting with learn. So I am checking from the substring. That means I will be giving the range here. The index number of L is 7. So I will be giving 7. The ending I will be giving as some 15. So this will be giving true as index number of L is 7 and then it has learned from there. Now I wanted to check by taking this range whether it ends with RAM. So I should be knowing the index number of starting and ending of this range. I know the starting is 7 and the ending M I will be taking through the index. I will copy this dot index of, that is the first M. So it will be showing the index number of needed M. So it is 29. So now I will be checking ends with, I give RAM, RAM. Then I start from 7. See, when we give ending number, that is not included. So we supposed to give 30 instead of 29. So it is true. Now let us check replace of. We will replace that ST1. ST1 is with the error in the programming spelling. So I wanted to replace to right one. ST1 dot replace of. GO is the wrong one and then instead of that I will be giving G here. See, it will be returning the new string. It is not going to update the old string because it is immutable. So we will check ST1 will be remaining as it is immutable. Now if we want to replace and store it in ST1 itself, we can also give like ST1 is equal to. So it is replacing and again rewriting into ST1. Now it will be storing the new string. So let us check now ST1 is with right spelling. Hope you understood this. Now if I want to strip, for example I give programming dot, I will be using L strip of, I wanted to just remove PRO. So I give here PRO and then close. So PRO will be removed and then the new string starts with GRAMMING. If I have space before the string like this, I don't give anything in the argument, so it will be removing the space. Similar way, R strip works for the right side. Python and I give some space there and then R strip. Sorry, dot is missing there. So now you could see that extra space is removed and only Python is there as a string. If I want to remove ON from there, dot RS TRIP, and then I wanted to remove on, right? So on I give here, it will be removed. If I give generally strip without having L or R there, it will be removing from both the ends. For example, I start on Python dot strip of, on I give again here. So you could see that ON is removed from the beginning. It starts from the space and also removed from the end. Let us check the split function. String functions are good to learn. Dot split of, it will be splitting each and every word and put it into a list. Now partition of. Dot partition of, I wanted to partition TION from there. Before TION, whatever is available, it will be one element. TION is one element. and then remaining space or good will be one element. In case if I give partitioning at the beginning itself, for example, string functions dot partition of, I give string here, that is the starting itself. So what will be the result of this? The beginning will be empty, string is the middle one, and the ending will be remaining. There was a spelling mistake again here. So let me rectify here. You could see that beginning is empty and the string is the partition one which we have given and the ending one. Similar way, if we are giving the ending as the partition, here I give TIONS. Again the faulty one I copied here. So this is the right spelling. So at the end it is empty. Now let us check the join function. Roll number I give, then one space I give to bifurcate this, dot join of, I give 1 2 3 for better understanding, 1 2 3. So each character is a iterator. Now I will be seeing 1 roll number, 2 roll number, and then 3. If I give a space with 1 2 3, and then I will be getting 1 2 3 also with roll numbers. So I give here one space there. You could see that, right? Let us check whether we have executed everything. Each title ends with, starts with replace, L strip, R strip, split, partition, join. Yes, we have done everything. Please keep watching this channel, keep learning, and also don't forget to share to others, those who in need, so that they also learn. Thank you.